Okay, hi Nick. Good morning.
Long time no see.
Okay, so how are you today? I will send here. Yesterday was Julian's.
Teacher, I'm very nervous
Nervous why?
because this afternoon I go to school and have a test. 15
Test
minutes
for? Test for?
test for geography.
Oh, it's okay. It's okay. So if you have test, I know that
15
will be.
minutes, 15 minutes, and
Oh, I send here some of Julian's picture during her birthday. Can you see that one?
mm-hmm.
Mm.
Yeah, I see.
You see?
Mm, yeah, I see.
That's Julian's birthday. Okay, that was her favorite day. She enjoyed a lot with her friends. I know she is happy. Really surprised him when somebody give message, happy birthday.
Teacher, how tall is Julian?
I know in centimeter. Why? Can you see in the
Huh?
picture? Jillian is
How
taller
tall?
than
How
me.
tall is Julian?
Like, how about you? How tall are you?
What? How tall is Julian?
Like, I don't know in centimeter. Why?
Because I see, she stand next to you and she's so tall.
Yeah, she's taller than
She's
me.
very tall.
She's taller than me. Okay. So here, did you used to like going to school as a child? Did you used to like going to school as a child?
Um, uh, no, no, I didn't.
Okay. Okay. How did you used to get to school? How did you used to get to school?
Uh, mm, by motorbike
By
and
motorbike.
sometimes
What?
on foot.
Okay. So sometimes your school right now is like nearer than you,
Yeah,
near
it's
your
very
house.
near, very near.
Okay, like before, unlike before is quite far. Before is
Hmm?
quite far. Your school before is quite far.
No, it's very near.
Okay. So what is your current English teacher like? Or you tell me, what is your current
He,
English teacher like?
Karen, um, wait, I remember, Karen teacher. Uh, she, she, like, she teaches us 3 times a week,
Hmm?
and 3 times a week. And she teach we like grammar, teaches us like grammar, pronunciation, listening, reading, like that. And she is beautiful.
She's Vietnamese.
Hmm? Yeah, she's
She's
Vietnamese.
Vietnamese.
Yeah.
Okay. Are you good at learning languages or do you find it hard?
Maybe good. I'm good, but sometimes I don't understand the sentences, the grammar. So I think it's hard, and I need to help.
Okay, so you find it hard in learning English. But you
Mhm.
can see, okay, it's different me. The first time I met you, I cannot understand you.
Oh,
Yeah,
why?
yeah, because your English is very hard, very hard. I mean, it's not soft. The way how you speak is quite hard. I cannot understand it well because the sound is really bad. So it's hard
Oh,
for me. But now, as we grow on, as we talk, we share a lot. Okay, it's become quite easier for me. Oh, that's good. It's really good that we have our English lessons. Do you find it is helpful for us to have English lesson?
what?
Do you find it is helpful, very, very helpful for us, this English lesson?
Yeah, it's very helpful.
Okay,
But
so yeah.
sometimes English hard.
Oh, it's not hard because I can see you improve a lot. Different. You can speak well. Before, I tell you, before I cannot understand. Your accent, your pronunciation is hard. Teacher N cannot understand well. So I decided to have this lesson. So that's why it's quite good and it will helps a lot. Okay? So are you planning on doing another course soon? Are you planning on doing another course soon?
Hmm, like for soon. No,
Like other languages aside from English. Are you planning to
no,
have
no. I
another
have a course.
are you
I
planning to have another course except the languages?
no, maybe no.
Okay, for now, no, not yet. Okay. Okay. So we have
Teacher,
here. Oh
teacher.
yeah.
My parents and me plan if I have point of IELTS, and have enough money, I will go to another country to learn like that.
Wow, that's
In
very
grade nine.
good. That's very good. Okay. So
Uh,
one
but,
of
but, but,
my
I, but I'm scared of I can't have enough points of IELTS, and my parents don't have enough money. So I'm very scared of that.
I am no, I'm not. I am very scared of that. I
Oh,
am. I am very scared of that. Yes. Okay. So we have me, wait me for a minute. I will just go to my class and then I will be
yeah,
back. I need to give the book. Okay, with
yeah.
me. So please study this state of mind idioms. Okay, what did you understand to each of one? When I get back, I will ask you about this one. Okay, so study the 3699 mind idioms. Okay, waiting for a minute. Okay, Ni? Good enough?
Wait, okay.
Yes, yes. Okay, you think, and then after a while, you tell me.
Okay.
Okay, so what did you understand about this?
Yeah.
Okay, act one's age. Okay, what do you mean by the word you will act one's age? It
To be
means,
mature, not childish.
okay, so you have to be mature, not childish. When somebody will ask you, me, you have to act one's age. You have to act according to your age. It means you have to be mature. Okay. Air rage. What do you mean by the term air
It's like
rage?
angry behavior inside an airplane.
Okay, like you are inside the airplane and some people has this angry behavior. Okay, so that is what we call air rage. Okay. Blow one stop. Blow one stop. It means,
It means to lose one temper and explode in anger.
okay, when you say the word or the idioms, blow one stop, it means you lose one's temper and explode in anger. Okay, another one, chuck a wobbly. You are gonna
Yeah,
chuck a wobbly.
it's like to act in an emotional way.
Okay, like when you say chucking a wobbly, it means you will act in an emotional way. Like you were gonna cry, you were gonna burst out crying, you're very sad because you act in an emotional way. Okay. Fly off the handle. Fly off the handle. What do you mean by the term fly off the handle? Means
It means to become suddenly enraged.
so to become suddenly enraged. Okay, you cannot hold your feelings. You're enraged. Okay, draw a blank. What do you mean by the term? Draw a blank. What do you mean by
Draw
the
a
term?
blank.
You draw a blank.
Draw
It
a blank
means,
means be unable to remember something.
okay, you have to be unable to remember something. You have to blue. Okay, so you have to blue one. I myself. You have to draw a blank. So you have to be able to be unable. So it means unable. You cannot. You cannot remember something. Okay. Another one. On the fence. What do you mean by the term? It's on the fence. It
It means undecided between two choices.
means you're undecided between two choices. Okay. You're undecided between two choices. Okay. So on the ball. What do you mean by on the ball?
Animal means prepared, prepared, alert, competent.
Okay. So on the ball it means off one's rocker.
Off one's rocker means crazy, nuts, and insane.
Okay. Off one's rocker, it's crazy, nuts, insane. Now somebody is calling you, oh, you're crazy, you're insane. But at least when they cannot understand, you are gonna say, oh, you're a nuts. So when somebody telling you you're a nuts, it means you're crazy. Oh my God, that is quite disgusting. When somebody is telling you you're a nuts, you're crazy, okay, you're insane. Okay. So these are the mind idioms. Okay. So this one, please try to take note adjective to describe character and personality. We have here different adjectives that describe character and personality. What do you think is your adjective here? Okay, can you tell me what do you think is your adjective here? Okay, so your own adjective. Yeah, what do you think is your own adjective here?
It's like uh,
What do you think? Your adjective here. What do
I
you think is your adjective here?
I'm nervous because
Yes.
I'm nervous. Like when I have a test, I have a exam, and
Hmm?
nervous, very nervous. Teacher, with me, please.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So what do you think is your adjective here?
Uh,
What do you
happy.
think is your adjective here? Ito mo babalik na. Kuha ka ba na? Tangan ko 500. Okay? So what do you think is your adjective here? What do you think is your adjective here? Your adjective is?
Nervous, happy, um, sometimes friendly, uh,
Mm-hmm.
calm.
Okay, you're calm, you're nervous. What makes you nervous? Why you are nervous?
I told you, like when,
Because of the exams?
yeah, exam, a test, as
Okay.
and important is math text. So I'm very nervous, very, very.
Oh,
And
very, very nervous. Okay, you're
af-
very, very nervous.
teacher,
Okay.
teacher,
Oh.
afternoon I will have a test. So if you know
Uh-huh.
now,
Okay, this afternoon?
yeah, in the afternoon
Okay.
I have so I feel nervous.
Okay. So we have here. Okay, so what else? Okay, pessimistic. Okay, pessimistic. Okay, what do you mean by pessimistic?
Hmm?
What do you mean by pessimistic?
What?
What do you mean by pessimistic?
What do you
Mean by pessimistic?
I don't know.
Okay, you don't know the word pessimistic. Okay.
Yeah.
So, one of the most highlighted character that you have, what do you think is your most important character? What do you think is your most important character?
Intelligent.
Okay,
Ha-
intelligent. Why it's intelligent?
because character have to intelligent.
Character is intelligent?
Yeah, maybe.
Hey, yes. Okay, look at this. Discussing, okay, expressing opinions. Expressing opinions. So we have here. Okay, in the small airport, okay, you tell me what do you think is important to you. After a while, I'll get back on this one and then I will ask you questions. I'll just go to my class again. Okay, please look at this and then explain to me. Okay, good enough. Okay, a small airport in the tourist area is opening a new building for people to use. Talk together about the things they could put in the building and decide which would be the most useful for tourists. Here is a picture with some ideas to help you.
I can see the picture.
Yeah, what do you think are the picture, the things that will
Teacher,
help
I
the
can
tourists?
see the picture.
You wanna see it?
Yeah, it's so uh
Really?
like uh
Not clear?
yeah it's like can't see clearly like that.
It's not clear? Oh, wait a minute. But you can see what it,
Clearly, I can see clearly.
you can see clearly.
I can see.
You can see clearly. Wait me, huh? Okay, so here, you see it now?
Okay.
Okay. What do you think are the new building for people to use? What do you think are the new building for people to use?
Maybe in the coffee shop near the airport,
Uh-huh.
the restaurant near the airport.
It's a restaurant here at the airport.
This here.
Yes, yes. Okay. So we have restaurant. Of course, that's very helpful. What else? What do you think are the other buildings that is important?
And they will buy something. They will buy something at the shop maybe.
Yes.
Yeah,
Okay, shop. They can give or they can buy something in the shop or whatever. Another. One
uh,
more.
um, maybe they can go to the barber, go to the hair shop to
Mm-hmm.
uh to
To groom
change
themselves, to change hairstyle.
style.
Yeah, they were gonna change hairstyle. Okay, that would be okay. Okay. The barber shop we have here, clothes shop, restaurant, coffee shop, playground, hotel, and company. Okay.
Teacher,
So me, okay, me, sorry, teacher Ann has to leave for now because I will just add minutes on Friday because teacher Ann has another class waiting for me. I'm having my class. Sorry, I get in too late. I'll just add time for you next one. Okay? Bye for now. See you on Friday.